What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a quick video of how to take off the dealership emblem, decal, whatever you want to call it, sticker off of your brand new car, used car, whatever. I know dealerships do this for advertising, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you how. All right, guys, what I'm gonna use is my trusty Goodwill hair dryer, just to heat it up for a little bit. And then I could use my thumbnail to get behind it and peel it right off. All right, let me get this heated up and I'll show you the process. All right, guys, I got it heated up. I just want to show you guys how easy this is when it's hot. It comes right off. Excuse my hands, I've been working, so they're a little ashy. And you just peel it right off, just like that. Too simple, too simple. All right, let me finish it up and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, guys, I got it off. Now what I'm gonna do is my favorite go-to is my bug and tar remover. I'm gonna put that on, let it sit for about a good minute, two, whatever. It won't take the paint off or nothing like that, but a good minute. And we'll wipe it off and it should be good as new. All right, guys, it is done. No more free advertisement for you with the heat gun, your thumbnail or whatever fingernail you have, and the bug and tar remover, and it's off your car. Just want to show you guys a quick video. If you didn't know how to do it, there you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe.